The world outside is a wonderful place, filled with many miracles to see. It's a place to hear and smell and feel. It's a place so unfettered and free, from the welcome warmth of the morning sun, as it plays upon your eyes, and to sing you from your slumber, to awaken and come alive, or the gentle touch of an autumn breeze, as it chills and caresses your face, beckoning you to start your day and let go of the night's embrace. The sound of the bird as they twitter and sing, still nestled in the warmth of the trees. Soon they will lift their wings and fly, showed by the fluttering leaves, to smell the earth autumnal as you step outside and breathe, to hear the steady similar punch as you wade through the dry dead leaves, to take up the gate lost in a sailingless sky, deep blue or an ominous gray, squinting against the brightest of suns, or getting soaked by sudden cold rain. Thank you so much, guys. Please go subscribe and support.